45 minutes may be over, but before we go, mag-words of wisdom muna tayo sa Delmar. What's our wall for today?
There's a difference between getting a degree and being educated.
Ayun, napakaganda ng ating words of wisdom for today, Roxy. And very timely kasi graduation day! Malapit na ang graduation ng mga estudyante, so very timely talaga yung words of wisdom.
Yes.
Well, ano ibig sabihin nun?
Ang ibig sabihin nun, syempre, kahit naman hindi na nasusukat ang isang ugali kung ano man ang natapos mo.
Exactly.
Or kung wala kang natapos. Di ba? Kasi meron yung mga iba, may mga titles sila, meron sila natapos, ganito sila. Pero they can't, parang hindi na nadadala yung sarili nila. Yung good attitude, kailangan humble sila.
It's not really the title, it's not about the medal or the certificate, but it's more on the attitude and how you carry yourself and how you deal with the people, especially yung mga new graduates, di ba? Pag naging professional na sila, kailangan matuto sila at marunong sila makitungo at makisama sa mga future na katrabaho nila. O, di ba? Tsaka na-apply naman yan sa lahat ng mga tao.
At saka hindi naman, lahat naman kasi tayo, kahit wala man tayo natapos o meron man, may achievement tayo sa buhay.
Exactly.
Diba?
Correct.
Yes, but before we totally go, we'd like to thank the following, of course, the people who made this show so much more successful. Yes, of course, to Mr. Francis Flores and Snaps Located Garden located at Bulala, Bigan City.
And to Sweet and Spicy, kay Mama Weng at Papa Bong. And to their daughters, Carla and Sam, thank you very much. Visit their branches at Centro de Regalos and along Salcedo Street.
Of course, we would like to thank me and Zelmar. And of course, the Core TV, the Hair VA Saloon. Hair VA Saloon located at JDC Mall, Balaling, Bantay, Ilocos. Sir, telephone number 722-4282, local 155. At syempre, magpapasahan po kami kay Mr. Al Alvarena, the creative stylist and makeup artist. Thank you! And of course, to Albert Tarayo, Hair VA. At lahat po ng staffs ng Hair VA Saloon. Thank you!
And we would like to thank also Mr. Aurelio Cabaong Jr. And of course, si Chef Sam and Lieutenant Colonel Ramos po. Maraming salamat for making our show a possible one. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating show for today. Kaya tumutok ulit next episode para sa mas exciting at pinagandang infotainment show.
Yes.
Sa buong Ilocania. This is Wake Up Ilocos! Bye everyone! Happy graduation! Yeah!
Congratulations! Love it!